Today we are diving into the wonderful world of garden wall decorations. You might be wondering why bother suppressing up those outdoor walls. Well, think of it like giving your garden a cozy hug. It is all about turning a plain space into something that truly feels like home. So stick around as we explore the magic of transforming your garden walls into eye-catching masterpieces. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting to dip your toes in the world of outdoor decor, we have got some fantastic ideas that will spark your creativity and give your garden a place you never want to leave. When you look at your garden wall, think of it like a big, empty canvas waiting for a splash of creativity. It is like having a blank sheet of paper before you start drawing. Imagine the possibilities. A plain wall might seem a bit dull, but that is where the fun begins. You have got these white spaces that is just waiting to be transformed into something special. So why not see it as a chance to bring your personality outdoors? Picture it as an open book where you get to write your garden's story. Don't worry if you are not an artist. No need for fancy skills. We are talking about simple, easy, and exciting ways to turn their walls into our masterpieces. Whether you are into color pa- patterns or keep it serene, your garden walls is your canvas, and you are the artist ready to make it uniquely yours. Imagine your garden wall as a welcoming canvas, ready to embrace the beauty of nature. One fantastic way to breathe life into your outdoor spaces is by infusing it with the freshness of flower and plants. Think about it as splash of vibrant greenery against your wall not only add colors but also bring a sense of tranquility. Consider easy to care for plants like ivy or cascading vines that effortlessly climb the wall, creating a natural and calming atmosphere. To take it up a notch, explore the world of floral arrangements. Hang flowers baskets or rustic planters on your walls, turning it into the blooming masterpieces. This is not just about decoration, it is about creating a space where nature and your personal haven seamlessly blends. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting, nature inspired decor on your garden wall is like giving your outdoor sanctuary a warm and inviting hug. It is a simple yet powerful way to connect with the serenity of the outdoors right in the heart of your home. Have you ever looked at your garden wall and thought, I wish there was a way to make this uniquely mine? Well, guess what? Dye wall art is your answer. No need to be an artistic genius or break the bank. We are talking about simple, fun project that anyone can tackle. Think about it like this: you have got a blank canvas, and your tools are everyday items you probably already have at home. From painting old wooden carts to hanging mason jars filled with the fairy lights, the possibilities are endless. This project not only add a personal touch to your outdoor space but also let you unleash your creativity without a fuse. So grab some paints, gather those mason jars, and let's turn that plain wall into a masterpieces that reflect your style and flair. Dye wall art is not just about decoration, it is about making your garden uniquely yours. Have you ever looked at old stuff lying around you and thought, can this be turned into something amazing? Well, that is the magic of upcycling. It is like giving a second life to things that might have been forgotten. Imagine finding an old wooden crate or a vintage window frame. Instead of tossing them away, you can transform them into a charming garden wall decor. It is all about taking what you already have and turning it into a trigger of your outdoor spaces. Let's keep it real. Upcycling does not need a master's degree in art. Anyone can do it. Grab those worn out wooden palettes or that antique mirrors, add a splash of paints, maybe some fairy lights, and voila. You have got yourself a personalized pieces of garden art. It is just about being crafty. It is about creating a story with the things you already know. So next time you are think of tossing something or out, pause and ask yourself, can this be my next garden masterpieces? Upcycling is not just good for your wallet, it is about good for the plants and add a touch of your personality to your garden haven. Family friendly decor is all about making your garden wall a joyful space for everyone. Think about involving the whole gang in the decoration process. You can turn it into a family activity where even the little one of join in the fun. Consider using colorful and durable materials that can withstand the playful touches of kids and curiosity of pets. It is like creating a shared masterpieces that bring smiles to everyone's faces. Look for ideas that resonate with the whole family. Maybe it is a dye project that allow each members to contribute their artistic flair, or perhaps opt for decorations that spark fond memories. When choosing family friendly decor, think about safety too. Avoid sharp edges or fragile items that could pose a risk. The goal is to make your garden wall a cozy and welcoming spot where everyone feels a sense of belonging. So gather the family, get creative, and turn your garden wall into the conveys of shared happiness. Take care of your garden wall can be good for both style and planet. Let's talk about some easy, eco friendly ideas to keep it green. First off, consider using recycling materials for your decoration. It is like giving a second life to your things that might have ended up in the trash. Maybe that old wooden crate or those unused mason jars could turn into charming pieces of your garden wall. Next up, think about the plants you choose. Opt for native ones that thrive in your area without needing too much extra care. It is like inviting the neighbor over. They already feel at home. Also try using rainwater to keep your green buddies hydrated. It is a simple trick that not only saves water but also makes your plants happy. Sustainability is like being a good friend to nature, and your garden wall can be a beautiful reflection of that friendship. So let's keep it green, absolutely summing